Hey everybody, today we're going to be learning a little bit about density. And just to review, density is describing how much matter is packed into a certain amount of volume. So for example, these cubes have the exact same volume, but you will notice that in this cube that the atoms and the particles are all really spread apart, whereas on the other hand, these are really packed together. So we would say this cube is less dense than this cube. So that's all density really means. And you probably remember learning in elementary about floating and sinking. When a ping pong ball floats, when it's placed in water, that means it's going to be less dense than toy soldier. Toy soldier is more dense than the water and also more dense than the ping pong ball. So you can also relate it to how it behaves in water. So we're going to learn today how to calculate density, and we're going to do mass divided by volume. So we're going to work with this formula right here to do that. And we'll have our calculator, and it'll make it really easy to do. So let's get in here and try this. So this is a gizmo that you're going to do for your performance task. And I'm just going to show you how to calculate the density of the different objects. So to calculate the density of the objects, you're going to take, let's say we want to find the density of the ping pong ball. You're going to put the mass, and mass is just how much something. In this case, we have 3.0 grams. So we will record 3.0 grams for our mass. And then we will put the volume, the ping pong ball, in the graduated cylinder. And I want you to notice something, that the starting volume is 400. When we put it in, the ping pong ball makes the water go up to 436. So what you have to do to these two numbers to get the volume of the ping pong ball is subtract them. So we will set that up, and we'll do 436 minus 436. You will have a calculator if you need to use that. And then, so that is the volume of the ping pong ball. So we did the mass by putting it on the electric. We got 3.0. We put the volume. To get the volume, we put it in the graduated cylinder. It started at 400, went up to 436. We subtracted those numbers, and that's how we get the volume of the ping pong ball. And so now we just take our calculator and we do mass, which is 3. And then we do divided by 36, because that's our volume. And that is our density. So we did 3 divided by 36 equals, ooh, that was cool. I remembered it just did it for me in OneNote. So that's neat. So we'll round that to the nearest hundredths place. So 0.08, and it'll be grams per milliliter.